Testing does continue to expand here, but in some places it has not been easy.
Tonight, CBS 4's Carey takes us inside Fort Lauderdale's effort to get a testing site that finally paid off.
When Fort Lauderdale city leaders decided to open a COVID-19 testing site at Holiday Park, they faced an immediate challenge: how to get personal protective equipment, or PPE, from medical workers running the tests.
There were days that we thought we were just not going to get it.
Mayor Dean Trentala said the efforts behind the scenes of setting up the testing site, which opened Thursday, revealed the competition across the country to get PPE, the inability of some to work together, and ultimately the determination of city leaders to find a solution to the problem. One of the first steps the city took when it wanted to open the testing site was reach out to the office of Governor Ron DeSantis. Trentala said they were a big help, but unfortunately not with PPE.
And I have to say, thank God for the governor's office. They were able to provide the National Guard, they provided the test kits, and they said now you need to get the PPE.
And getting the PPE turned into a struggle.
The supply of PPE was being restricted.
Trentala said the competition for PPE is intense.
People were trying to import it from other countries, and it was being stopped at the border. The federal government was actually confiscating it to disperse through their own mechanisms and their own priorities.
Fort Lauderdale has plenty of masks, the mayor said, but they needed gowns and specific gloves for the testing. He said there were politics involved, and some people did not want to help the city's effort.
People lost sight of what we were trying to do, which is to protect the health and the safety of our community.
Finally, the city partnered with the ambulance company AMR. AMR's chief of operations told me they supplied 24 employees and all of the PPE for the Holiday Park testing site.
It took a number of days, probably almost 2 weeks, before we were able to really come together with AMR.
AMR said they expect to be at Holiday Park as long as the city needs them. Trentalis is gratified that AMR partnered with the city. He hopes the new testing site shows the spread of COVID-19 in the community.
We just hope we can continue with this testing site for at least 2 months to be able to ensure the community that we have finally figured out who has the disease, who doesn't, and to get those people to medical care.
This testing site here at Holiday Park can accommodate up to 400 tests per day. You do not need a doctor's note, but you do need an appointment. And the city of Fort Lauderdale does have designs on more testing in the city. Mayor Trentala said he's working on setting up an antibody testing site in hopes of determining who may have previously had COVID-19. In Fort Lauderdale, Carey, CBS 4 News Tonight.